YoungBoy update. YoungBoy will be in court. August, I believe August is the 18th or around that time. His lawyer has a strategy which I think is a weak strategy. I don't think this is gonna get far. There, his lawyer is still trying to say the evidence was obtained illegally, and also saying the evidence should not be admissible into court. But they're using things that are so weak. Like, for example, they're like, yo, the cops didn't have probable cause to approach YoungBoy and search him. And they're like, well, they're going over with the cops' evidence. The cops said they were called because of a disturbance that was supposedly gang related. So that's why they pulled up, right? Part of the submissions that YoungBoy's lawyer is saying is like, yo, well, if y'all really pulled up because it was some gang shit going on, why did y'all approach on such a civil manner? Usually, if there's gang stuff going on where you're hearing about all this type of stuff, you would approach differently. I see that as a point. I just think it's weak. That's not gonna get some. That's not gonna get a judge to say, okay, that's probable cause to say they didn't have reasonable doubt to search, whatever, whatever. You know what I mean? I don't think they're not gonna drop full evidence over that shit. You get me? This is the feds. You get me? So I can't see that happening. Obviously,
So I'm not.
obviously they're hoping that evidence gets dropped, that he could get released, and if evidence gets dropped or become non-admissible, this case becomes nothing. Like, for example, if the evidence in what they found once they like detained everybody in terms of camera, oh yeah, and then they got some stuff about cameras too, saying, hey, um you have to have a warrant to actually go through the memory cards. If you have probable cause, you could only go through certain amount. Like, I feel like they're coming with weak ass like reasons to hopefully entice the judge to drop the evidence. I don't see it to be dropped, but it is a shot in the dark. If the evidence was dropped, he would get out of jail, 100%. But I don't see the evidence being dropped. I'm gonna be honest with you. Okay.